Right, we're going to have a day out at Inaryan Falls. I've never been there before, so I don't know what it's like, but these are quite excited to go. They've been before. One of Mel's friends thought we were going to the beach, so she's a bit disappointed. But this is what happens. And we should have left at 10 and it's now 20 to 11 Filipino time, obviously. This happens all the time with Mel. We'll agree a time we're going out and we never go out on time, never. We'll like walk out the door, lock the door, get to the shop and she'll say, oh, I need to go back for this, I need to go back for that. So it's no different to when I was married before, really. Just the time period's always a bit longer. Because I can remember, I'm sure there's a lot of guys out there can appreciate what I'm saying when they were married and they were going out and they'd be all ready and the wife would still be putting the makeup on and checking everything and making sure everything's in a handbag, and it's no different here. So this is Kelly and Kiana, the family. See this one, she's going to be beautiful when she gets bigger. She's beautiful now, but she knows it. So I'm not sure how far it is. How far is it, Mel? Oh, all right.
But I've been there before.
Sorry, I keep asking you things you don't know. Oh.
I've been there when I was a
So I'm guessing you'll be going in the water up to your ankles at least. Yeah, Mel can't swim, by the way. We're going. Oh. I'm guessing this is our bag, is it? That's Kiana. She's family again. It's all family. I don't think there's any friends here today. So I haven't got a lot of battery, guys, because my battery charge is not working. I tell you, this place is an absolute electronics nightmare. But hey, you gotta laugh, haven't you? So I've got to charge my batteries one at a time via my GoPro. And what happened last time was my old GoPro, the battery stopped charging, they wouldn't charge in the GoPro. So then I got an external battery charger and something else went on the GoPro where I couldn't use it. So that's Chris's life in the Philippines. My God, I tell you, if it wasn't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all, me. But my GoPro's still going anyway. Touch wood. Oh. Go and feed my dog. Gotta make sure he's had food, because if me and Mel don't feed him, he doesn't normally get fed. Hey, baby! Yeah. Oh, oh, hey, that's nice. Hey, oh, he's hungry, look. Yeah, careful. See, he doesn't even chew it, he just gulps it down. He's a good boy. Yeah, daddy's a good boy. So all the cockerels are out. I'm quite proud of my pa, actually, because he wins a lot of cockfights, believe it or not. He's always eating the cock, because if they win a cockfight, they get to keep the bird who's been defeated. and then they eat it. I got a message from a subscriber the other day which upset me a lot, because I'm a big baby, as you probably know, a big kid, and this guy lives in the US with his wife, and there's a little few Filipino family round them, and he come home and brought her a pet bunny. 2 days later it's strung up and they've had it. I mean, it's just unreal. Just unreal. I can understand it here. You don't give somebody a pet bunny here because you know how that's going to end. But in the US, hey, I would imagine if that was reported, they'd be in a lot of trouble as well, you know. Or would they? No, probably not. Not for a rabbit. Because they kill rabbits. They breed rabbits and kill them in the UK for meat, I guess. But not a pet rabbit. I wouldn't like to think I was sitting eating my pet. So I'm going to switch the camera off, guys, until I've got a little bit something else to show you, because I don't want to run out of battery before the end. So see you in a moment. Look at this, guys. Let me get the camera. Isn't this crazy? Hey? This guy wants a medal as big as a dinner plate. I mean, I'm big and fat, and then we've got how many kids? 3 kids and 2 more adults. 4 kids and 2 more adults. I don't know how he does it. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Right, do you think we might be a bit overcrowded, guys? I think so. Right, guys, I've been here many times before because of this river. It's all been sandbagged off for some reason, and apparently you got to pay for entrance. Now there's supposed to be a waterfall, right, and it's up there. I didn't know. I didn't know there was a waterfall up there.
No, they have pay na. It's business.
Yeah, but how can it be a business? They don't own the waterfalls, do they?
Let's ask.
Yeah. And I've never seen anywhere here before where you've got to pay.
Even me before, when I'm coming here, there's no pay. But now I don't know. I think like to maintain clean or
Maintain and clean, really?
or bayad na entrance fee.
Wala pera. You pay.
Can we credit?
Yeah.
Boss, may entrance na kita, boss.
I'm gonna pay 110, 20, 30 pesos.
Why, who are you paying for?
5 pesos.
So why were you paying for the jeepney fare for your brother as well?
He paid me.
I didn't say that. I'm just wondering. God. Got to be very careful when I ask questions. Mind you, you shouldn't start off a sentence with why, because that puts people on the defensive straight away, doesn't it? It's beautiful here though, I love it. But because it's the summer and not the rainy season, there's not much water, so they've gone and dammed it to keep the main bulk of the water on here. Because normally this is just gushing. It's rainy season, it's full, it's flowing. There's a nice waterfall here, and I used to come down, well, I do odd times, not that much as I used to do when I was in Decca, but I'll come down odd times and sit, put my feet in the water. It's freezing, it's freezing cold because it comes down from the mountain. Right, where's our bag? Here, babe, give me the bag.
Oi, akin si Mateo.
So I'm interested to see what it's like up here because I've never been up here.
Maintenance.
Yeah. Oh well.
It's a lot of money.
It's not a lot of money, but when it's not been here before and it's not been maintained before, and yet it's not been any different to what it is now. But if that's the rules, that's the rules, isn't it?
I think just only summer, but not like
In the winter they don't bother.
yeah.
Yeah, well, winter, rainy season. Just switch it off because my battery's low. Ah, I see. It's to keep it tidy from rubbish. Interesting. So I didn't even know this bit existed, and I must have been down here a dozen times because I love it down here. More often in the rainy season when the water's really, all this is full. I'm getting old. Like a few of the comments you'll get, they're right. But it's good exercise, I guess. So if you want one of these little Nipa hut things, you must have to get here early. Watch me go on my backside because I can't hold on to anything.
Where are you?
Oh, thanks. She let go of that branch, has just hit me in the face. Yeah, all the Nipa things are taken because we're a bit late. We should have been here earlier. So, where the jeepney turned before the bottom of the road where we got out, a little bit further up there on the left is the hot springs, and it takes about 30 minutes to get from Naga Centro rather to the hot springs, and it's well worth a visit, guys, if you come to Naga, because there's hot and cold springs. The cold, it comes from the mountain. Obviously it's the same part of this river but further up, and it's freezing cold. So if you've got a bad heart, it's not a good idea to jump in it. So I'll just switch this off until we're up there. Do what, babe?
They're selling halo-halo.
I think we're finally here. Are we finally here?
Yeah.
My God.
There's a falls there, look.
It's about killed me. So
Alright,
we've got a few.
exercise.
We've got a few Nipa huts that's available anyway. Ugh. It's nice though. I'm lathered, so I don't go. Just gone my length twice. Managed to keep the camera out of the water. This is similar to a place I've been before. So they're selling halo, and it's your nuts, and if you haven't brought any food, you can bring a little bit with you. Buy a little bit here, I mean. God. Kamusta? My brain is just not working. Now, where they're jumping in, I can see there's rocks at the bottom. Very dangerous. I know I did it on one of my videos where I jumped off into the water Oh, it was the diet video.
You
And
been here before?
No, babe, I'm talking about diet. One of my first videos. And I wouldn't do it again. It was very high. It was about twice as high as this. And I hit the bottom. But luckily, by the time I got to the bottom, I'd slowed down. I hurt my foot a bit, but it could have been worse. I told you I'm a big kid. I'll try anything once, and if I like it, I'll try it 3 times. So, do you have to pay for one of these huts then if you go?
I asked them, they don't know. I think it's a free. Ate, may bayad ang ate. Iguto kung duman po ka mo, ano. Inapot po ka mo duman. Ay, napupiti mo kung dahil na. It's no, it's a free.
Right. So how do you know there's somebody not there? Because somebody's got their pants and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Somebody's got something else over there. Huh?
Because normally, how much do you remember?
Yeah. Well, they do it at the hot springs. If you go to the hot springs, guys, it's 200 pesos to get in. And then if you have one of the little hut things, it's another 500 pesos. So just be prepared for that. Filipinos, they always bring plenty of food. And at some point there'll be some MP light come out.
We did not bring the MP lights to give to them.
Oh, forgot. Oh well. Just as well. We don't want anybody drunk going back. Because can you imagine going back and you've had a drink there? God, you'll break your neck. So the hello is a good idea if it's nice, I guess. Because it's boiling hot, guys. There's a little bit of a breeze, but I'm not cooling down much. Might be my age. Oh, it looks like we've got one, look. So, we'll do a little bit of video at the end, guys. So see you in a bit.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping